wanted to say a few words about my osteotomy operation, which was performed by Mr Khakha with Professor Wilson and the team at Harley Street Specialist Hospital. Beforehand, I was very nervous. It sounded like a big operation. It went incredibly well. I wish I'd done it much earlier. 3 months afterwards, I was back in full form. Cross-country skiing, did 1,000 kilometers last winter. I'm just back from motorbiking across the Sahara. None of this would have been possible, none of this activity, without getting these operations done. The care has been first class throughout. Excellent and transparent. Always knew what was going on. To Mr Khakha, to Professor Wilson, to the team at Harley Street Specialist Hospital, a massive thank you from me. I could not commend them more to other people. Thanks very much.